Attention all crew, attention all crew. This is a drill. We are now simulating a loose control of steering. All crew, report to your designated station. Chief Officer, turn off the automatic steering mode.
Yes, Captain. Turning off automatic steering mode. Automatic steering mode off.
The steering wheel control is lost. The steering wheel is not responding to the helm command.
Understood. Bridge to engine. Bridge to engine. Do you copy? Over.
Engine to bridge. Engine to bridge. I hear you loud and clear, sir. Over.
Engine, you may now proceed to the emergency steering compartment. Stay in contact and remain in standby. Over.
Understood, sir. We will now proceed to the emergency steering compartment. We will stay in contact and remain in standby. Over. Second, proceed to the local control.
Copy that, sir.
Sir, all things are ready to operate. Copy. Engineer to bridge, chief engineer to bridge. We are in emergency steering compartment and are ready to operate. Over.
Understood, Chief. Remain in standby and wait for my call. Over. Okay, helmsman, maintain the safe speed.
Maintaining safe speed, sir. Understood, Captain.
Okay, provide me any changes and updates.
Understood, Captain.
Very well. Radar report 15. Over.
Heading 350, sir. Heading 340, sir.
Understood. Radar angle at midship. Over.
Heading 340, sir. Heading steady, sir.
Understood. Attention all crew, attention all crew, attention all crew. The drill has ended. I repeat, the drill has ended. Please proceed to the bridge for debriefing. Over. Alright, let's go over on the emergency steering drill. Chief Officer, what are your thoughts on the overall performance of the crew?
I believe the crew responded promptly to the alarm and executed the emergency procedures efficiently. However, there was a slight delay in transitioning to manual steering. We should focus on reducing the time during future drills.
Excellent. Observations now. Let's hear from the bridge team. Any specific challenges areas wherein we can improve?
Well, the primary challenge was coordinating the helm orders with the actual rudder movement during manual steering. Maybe a proper communication line is necessary.
Okay, that's a valuable suggestion, Chief Officer. To ensure everyone is in the same page, let's review the emergency steering procedures in detail. Chief, record the details of our debriefing and our log sheet. Okay?
Understood, Captain.
Okay, understood. Very well. Okay, let's schedule the follow-up meeting and revise procedure and plan the next drill. Okay?
Yes, Captain.